Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Open Settings and go to Face ID and Passcode. You need an active passcode. Once set, tap Set up Face ID and follow the guided face scans. Make sure the front camera is unobstructed and perform both required scans. This trains the sensors for different angles. Once done, leave Face ID enabled for iPhone unlock. Next, you'll enable Face ID specifically for iTunes, an app store so purchases and downloads use your face instead of typing passwords. Now make Face ID serve the App Store. In Face ID settings, toggle on iTunes and App Store so the system will prompt your face for purchases. Next, confirm you're signed into your Apple ID under Settings, right arrow your name, right arrow Media and Purchases. Sign out and back in if necessary to refresh credentials. Verify accuracy by testing Face ID with another quick authentication, because if it fails there, it likely won't work in the App Store. Once validated, proceed to test a download to confirm behavior. Finish by initiating a free app download. When prompted to authenticate, glance at the camera and let Face ID confirm the purchase. If App Store still asks for a password, restart the iPhone, then reset Face ID and repeat setup. Make sure iTunes and App Store toggle is on after reset. If problems persist, check attention-aware settings and clean the true depth camera. As a key troubleshooting tip, remove any screen protector that covers the sensor and run the Face ID setup again to restore reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.